In this project, we will create a project to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we have a simple input and a simple output, and the equation for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit as described here, 9 over 5 times the Celsius uh, value plus 32. So we will define a function which is converter C, and here we will write the Fahrenheit, which is F equals Fahrenheit, okay, or Fahrenheit, which converts Celsius, okay. So will Fahrenheit equals F equals 9 over 5 times, okay, Celsius, which is C here, okay, this is Celsius, okay, plus 32, okay. So when Fahrenheit converts Celsius, Celsius will take, we go to C, okay. Now we will go to return F, which is here, F capital, okay. Let's run the program. So the program is working for the test case 1, and we have here you are on fire. Okay, it's working. Okay, thanks for listening. Okay.